My God. Anthony! Oh, what's going on? Podcast, what's happening? Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company.
Anthony from the Rag Company.
And we had been told by a little birdie that we might be receiving something in the mail. It doesn't really say where it came from, but it does give us a city and state. So
It adds up.
we're gonna open this up. So we got my old trusty knife here. Oh, see if it gets that.
Cut towards me. That makes sense. Yeah. All
Didn't
right.
want to pierce anything inside the box.
No, I know. I don't blame you. So we got some.
Packing paper. Hey, this is from our friends at Rupes. Look at that. We got some pads, a couple boxes. Looks like these pads were used to hold everything
the boxes in place.
Yeah.
That's expensive packing peanuts right there, guys. I mean, but they will be used. Don't worry about that. We have 2 boxes in here.
Yeah, they look like polishers.
They do look like polishers.
I wonder which ones they are. There's 2 of them.
One for each of us.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh wow,
There's
these are actually
there's no stickers on them, so we don't have.
I don't know. We got tape on them?
This one had the tape already cracked.
Yeah,
so
this must be nice. I think I have to work for this one.
Oh, I know what this is.
Oh my God.
So I got a 21.
I got a 15.
So these are the new Mark III 21 and 15. I'll put this box down here.
Holy smokes.
Now what we heard was these are pre-production models, and we do unfortunately have to send these back.
You can send yours back. I'm keeping mine, man. This is going in Anthony's tool chest for sure.
But
holy smokes.
wow, these are really nice.
So first impressions, right? We're pulling out the newest and greatest
This is the
Mark
new Mark
III.
IIIs. Now, not a complete redesign.
No, a couple different things. So off the bat, what's the first thing you notice?
Well, the new head. It's got rubber on both sides here, so gives you a little more control.
So the first thing I notice is the thing that I've always wanted, which is the bump stop, the rubber stop in front of the
Now, the Mark
toggle.
II had the bump here
Up top, but
to
not
keep it
down
more
here.
secure when it's on the surface. Because I remember when I had the first gen, it didn't have any of that.
No.
You know how many heads I went through? Because setting it down, it would roll and fall off the workbench. So this is nice because now you can literally set it down, so you've got the front stop, but then this new bump stop on the bottom.
Amazing.
Now it stays nice and flat on the surface.
Oh yeah.
Got a little more rubber on the sides too for some extra grip.
Well, that's perfect because I'm OCD and I have to make sure my polishers even look nice and detailed after I'm done. And so I notice whenever I set my polishers down, that area down there, it always gets scuffed up if I set it down right next to the
I've got my machine. I've got the casing.
Yeah.
For the old machine, it's scuffed up like crazy right there. So
I'm sure
is nice.
anybody watching that has Rupes knows exactly what we're talking about.
So right off the bat, the new dial has a really nice feel. And it's rubberized.
It's rubberized, yeah. It's got a rubber, but it's grippy and it's big. It's
and
much
it's got
bigger.
a nice action.
It feels very like a confirming feel.
It's got click. And then I heard that this has the new progressive trigger.
Yeah.
So you can actually throttle the speed.
So you'll have
slow it down, increase it.
Your 0 to max speed down on there, and basically that's adjusted on your speed setting. So if I had it at a speed setting of 4, for example, I can control the speed I would need in that RPM range.
Yeah, that's really nice. And then a longer cord. It's got
a much longer 30-foot cord. Yeah.
Yeah.
Another thing I noticed too is the Rupes logo is actually etched in. It's actually embedded into the plastic rather than being just a printed on logo. So you can actually feel the textured logo on there. So if you have a Rupes polisher and you're going through tons of compound or polish, whenever you go to pick that up, it starts to wear away that logo. That's not wearing away. That's in the plastic.
I'm really excited about this. I want to turn these on and actually go play with them on a car.
Yeah. So I think the plan is to give you guys a review of these things, give you our thoughts on them once we put some time behind them and some hours behind them. This is just our first impressions review.
We literally just got them out of the box.
Yeah.
So we can play with them. We've got a whole pad lineup too to play with.
This also has the blue backing plate on both the 21 and the 15 model. And so the blue backing plate definitely holds for sure. So on top of the variable trigger, what's also really cool is that you still have your lock here.
Yep.
So basically you can set your max speed by just hitting that lock and then still continuing to adjust your RPMs up top there. So if you're feeling lazy and you don't want to hold the trigger, the progressive trigger.
Yeah, and remember guys, you can't lock the progressive trigger. It's all or nothing.
Yeah, so. Correct. Yeah, so I can't lock it halfway up.
Yeah.
It's got to be all the way max to be able to lock that. But again, that's when you go back to the traditional way of just adjusting your speed up top here.
Yeah, I'm really excited. So thank you to Rupes for sending these to us to play with. We're very excited. One thing to remember too is we don't sell polishers. Yeah. We don't sell Rupes polishers. We don't sell Flex polishers. You can't buy Rupes polishers through the rag company. But I feel like we kind of know polishers pretty well. And
so I think we know.
We've had a lot of fun with them.
Yeah.
I bought the first one here in the state of Idaho. I have it in my office. Yeah. It's done about 4,000 cars. And I then, as each new model came out, I purchased the first model for the state to have that. So I've used a ton of Rupes products. So I feel like I'm pretty well versed. We've also been there to build our own. So I kind of know how they work inside and out too.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, basically, my 21 Mark II was my first big boy polisher I ever bought after, you know, my Porter cable, my starter polisher, and that was a huge jump for me. And then after that, I wanted to dive into more of the smaller, intricate polishing, so I picked up the Hybrid Nano, and that's been awesome as well. So basically, getting our hands on this new next generation is pretty cool.
Yeah, and I've had the whole line all the way through to the Nano as well. So really excited to get to play with these.
Yeah, and we got a new employee that wants to throw down with one of these as well. So that'll be kind of cool to see.
I'm excited. So stay tuned for part 2, where we actually get to throw down with these machines, get on some paint, see what these suckers can do.
So anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. You guys can leave us a comment down below telling us if you actually want this machine, what your thoughts are. We want to hear it, and Rupes wants to hear it. So as usual, you guys can subscribe for more. And as always, stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company.
See ya.